Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amira binti Jamaluddin, matric number 1911152. Today I would like to present our rehabilitation center for turtle, which is on Site C. The proposed site is located at Pantai Ceruk Palu, which is in Kuantan, Pahang, known for the beauty of their sea. Ceruk Palu is a small village situated about 38 km south from Kuantan town and 14 km north of downtown Pekan. The nearest village is Kampung Hijrah, which is at the southwest from the seaside. Based on the site plan, this is the way from Pindosan IIUM to my site. The name of Tenang Rehabilitation Center for Marine Life is chosen as to represent the site content itself, as it's very calming and serenity for us to visit and care on their endangered marine life such as turtle. Based on what Prophet Muhammad has been said, verily there is heavenly reward for every act of kindness done to a living animal. Moving on to the site synthesis, as our site is in rural area, I suggested to build the road and signboard to connect to the rehabilitation center. Next, elevated the building to avoid from rainwater as our site is near to the beach. Then, create an open space for cafe that facing the beach to get the beautiful scenery. Then, moving on to the President Study Synthesis, based on 3 buildings that I've studied, which is Whitney Laboratory Sea Turtle Hospital, National Marine Life and Conservation and Rehabilitation of Marine Life Center, I come out with 3 syntheses. Firstly, on the space planning, separation of space between 2 levels, which is public space is on the ground floor and semi-public and private space is on first floor. It is needed because of the privacy. Secondly, in terms of sustainability, solar panel can be used to generate electricity. Then, for the material, it can be used of concrete because it most durable and resists nature's impact. Then, for the case study synthesis, firstly, on the turtle tank size and material, I found out that 4 tanks with the size of 6 meter times 1.8 meters times 1.2 meter water depth can hold all sea turtle size, and fiberglass and concrete are the best material as they are durable. Secondly, marine concrete can be used in this building because of the durability and resistance. Then, for the foundation, soil condition and water level of the site shows that our foundation is suited to the site condition. Moving on to the concept. My concept is motion of the nature. Motion is the phenomenon in which object change its position over time. It can be described in terms of displacement, distance, speed, and time. Almost all living things naturally move and change in some way. As for instance, creatures like turtles will release their babies to the sea and they will come to their hatching place after a moment which takes almost 2 years if they are alive. The nature of movement includes various types of motion, which is rotary and oscillating. Briefly, motion of nature can be defined as the movement of the natural elements such as turtle, birds, waves, trees, and many more. Then we look on how I got my design through design development. Firstly, I start with the axis line of the wind and also the kiblat direction. Then build the shape according to the kiblat and wind direction. Third, make more curve that facing the beach to maximize the view. Fourth, build the entrance at center by subtracting the shape. And then make more curvy to create greater organization and continuity to the site context. And then try to refine. Next, for the zoning, as the blue color is public, we can see that most of public space are on ground floor, while private space on the first floor. Based on this bubble diagram, exhibition space, lobby, cafe, tank, lab, and toilet are on the ground floor, while for administration office is on the first floor. The total build-up of this building is almost 542 meters. Moving on to the ground floor, as you can see, this road is only for one way, and then also a postcard for our rehabilitation center for security. Visitors can park their car and motorcycle on the left side, or they can also drop off the passenger first, then move around and find the park again. Visitor will meet the lobby first at the entrance and also give shop to buy the souvenir. Then as you can see from this plan, it creates radial organization as people can meet the exhibition and aquarium space on right side. Then they also can see the process of curing the turtle in the laboratory from outside. Then they also will meet the turtle tank and also the stairs to reach upstairs. Then on the left side, there also a cafe and eating area that facing the beach. Visitors can rest while eating and looking at beautiful scenery. Then there's a toilet and also a handicap. There are 2 stairs in this building for emergency cases. Then on the right side, there also a loading bay and services room. Then for the first floor plan, as mentioned before, it is for administration office. There are also a library for the researcher to do their research, and on the left side there also have a toilet and prayer room. Moving on to the section cut XS, what we can see is the height and landing of the ramp of walkway in the aquarium, and on the left side is the toilet, while section cut Y1 showing the lobby, turtle tank, library and meeting room. On the right of the board, it's showing the elevation of the building. Southwest elevation showing the entrance of the building at the center. Northeast elevation is the facade that facing the beach, while northwest and southeast elevation is from the side of the building. Then for the next board, it's showing the sketches of view towards the lobby and aquarium. While on the right side is for the construction details, I would like to suggest to use the concrete for the wall, reinforced concrete for column and also micropile for the foundation, and it is also will be refers to the engineer details. Then for lighting design strategies, for the cafe, I suggested to use suspended lighting or recessed indirect lighting, and will be used incandescent bulb because it can help to give relaxing mood to the space. In addition, it also saves energy usage. By creating an open space for cafe, it can save the bills for electricity. Then for aquarium, concealed lighting can be shoot to the underwater aquarium as it can create water reflection, and moving water. Last but not least is our water supply system. I suggested to use indirect water. The specialization of using an indirect supply system is if the water shortage happens or stopped during a certain time period, water can still be supplied to the users from the storage tank. Moving on to the models. So here the conceptual model, structural model, building model with the side contact, I think that's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.